Hi there, Crap to Cream. I've just got back from the Byford Classic Car Show, so I thought I'd give you a bit of an intro into that little show. So there's not an MGB to be seen. I was just going somewhere out on a Sunday morning for a walk, which is there's a club local to us that they do a show every now and again, so I went and had a look at the cars that they got down there. I was going to take my car to a show in a place called Como, but due to the rain, decided to give it a miss. Prefer not to get the car wet because I've got no roof, and just in the shed, just doing a few other bits and pieces. So I've got an alley rocker cover for my MG, so I'm just super gluing the gasket onto the top here so it doesn't move when I put it on, because it's unlike the other MG rocker covers. It's got no guides or anything, clamps to hold it in place. And then I've got a washer bottle I've got to put on my wife's Mini. So there's a couple of jobs coming up. Not that the rocker cover's one that I'll go too far to town on. I'll just put it on the engine over here, and yeah, that'll be done. I've now got a crankshaft. So crankshaft here, and you might notice a little bit missing off the end here. So I've now got the end of that here. So I'm going to clean that up, machine that up, and then I'm going to use this part to mount the flywheel onto my lathe so that I can skim the flywheel. That's what I've got to do, because it's got a little bit of a mark in it here. Let's see, a little score mark in it there. So I'll just take the 3 dowels out, and I'll just run a scratch across there just to clean it all up so it's perfect. Alright, so that'll do for now. That's just an intro into so yeah, lots of muscle cars from Australia, typically V8's. We all love our V8's, and yeah, plenty of power available. There's one there, the Excalibur, got a 7.7 litre engine, pretty something special. Not many of them left apparently, and that'll do. Alright, so I'll say bye for now because I didn't say it at the end of the video. And yeah, I'll catch you soon. So good morning, Crap to Cream. So there's something a bit different on this Sunday morning. I was going to take my car to the Classic Car Show in a place called Como, but it's raining, or it's damp underfoot, so I don't want to get the car wet. So I thought I'd come to the Byford and District Car Club meeting, which is just around the corner from our house. Alright, so here we go. I just sort of started off with a bit of an interesting thing with a bit of a gull-wing. So despite the fact that it's raining, or moist to say the least, we've got the, yeah, with the gull-wing doors on it. We've got a fine selection coming in. This is the Mustang end, and then my friend Craig's car is there up for sale. So he's got his ute here. This is Craig's ute. I don't know where Craig is, but that's his ute. I'll find him. Anyway, I'll be back. This is a bit of Australian muscle car, so I'll just do a bit of a walk around and have a look and see what I can see, and I'll point you in bonnets and things like that. So there's a nice Chevy V8. And what we call it? Amazing, some of these cars. There's a nice little one just driving in there. Something a bit different. Nice little 5.7 litre V8 in it. Lexus over here and a Ford Cortina Mark III. So yeah, Princess Diana, that seems quite relevant. Yeah, I haven't seen one of them around in Australia before. A Holden. Yeah. Ford. Got a Mini over there. Another Mini. Got a Jag here. With a 3.3 straight 6. It's very yellow. Jag with some very interesting hardware coming out of the side here. Old Morris 1000 here with a Nissan engine in it and still hangs on to twin SUs. Got some other additions as well. Yeah. Again, different. Got a standard dash in it either. Here's another little bit of a monster. Holden or GM. Pipes out there. V8's. Very good. There's a bit of a weapon. Mustang. But we have the Pony over here with the gold wing doors, which is getting wet now. And there's a supercharger on this thing. Bloody hell.
Good, good. It has, it's been too long. You can have it out there.
Nice car. Huge radiator.
Come out for a perm or just come out for a Hugo?
Then we got another one. Look at this thing. Jeez, who is that?
Hey. I know. Unreal. Okay. We got the U. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man.
A bit more Australian muscle. God, this powder weight ratio must be quite special. Look at this thing, huge. The old Lincoln Cannon M. That's a big unit. Look at the wheels on it. That is a bit special. It's a rotary, I think. Rotary engine. This little gem here. Look at that. Yeah, pretty special. Next J, no, next J, Jag. Very nice. just looking at this.
I'm 6 foot, I couldn't get in one either.
So this is.
Found a Series 3 that a couple of
Here's the detail about it. If you want to pause and have a look and see.
Rudy, lift the hood up for him.
Oh, you're alright.
No, you can lift the hood up.
Yeah, get the grill off it.
Something a little bit special.
So for 454. Yeah, 7.7 litre. Does it love fuel? Oh, hell yeah. It's got a Rochester 4 barrel sitting up on top of it. So yeah, she's loves the fuel.
Yeah, you probably need a 4 barrel, mate, with a big motor like that.
Yes.
And some.
When you pull the secondaries in, you really know the second.
7.7 litre.
Oh,
Huge. So here we have a Tirana. Sounded pretty awesome when it came in. And as you might be able to tell by looking at the cars, right, there has been quite a little Rock 05. That's the registration one. Maybe you can see inside.
So the other guy got a quote.
Big engine for a little car. This one's a little bit special. Apparently it's called Nullarbor Red. Not many wires to be seen on this one.
Oh, mine I just got.
Yeah, all wires are hidden. Seems to be a thing. Nice car though.
so they haven't got a shot. Yeah, I'm surprised when they go fast.